Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things, or IoT. You may have heard this term tossed around in tech conversations, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, IoT refers to a network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies. These objects connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. From smart thermostats in your home to wearable fitness trackers and even connected cars, IoT is transforming the way we interact with the world around us. Let's start by understanding the basics and why it matters. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is all about connecting everyday objects to the Internet, allowing them to send and receive data. Imagine your refrigerator telling you when you're out of milk, or your lights turning on automatically when you walk into a room. These are just a few examples of how IoT brings intelligence and automation into our daily lives. The core idea is that devices can communicate not just with us, but also with each other, creating a seamless and efficient environment. This interconnectedness is what sets IoT apart from traditional devices. So, how does IoT actually work? At its core, IoT devices are equipped with sensors and software that collect data from their environment. This data is then transmitted, often wirelessly, to other devices or to the cloud for processing. For example, a smart thermostat senses the temperature in your home and sends that information to your phone or a central server. The system can then make decisions, like adjusting the heat, based on the data it receives. This process of sensing, transmitting, and acting is what makes IoT so powerful and versatile. To better understand IoT, let's break down its main components. First, there are the devices or things themselves. These could be anything from a smartwatch to a smart refrigerator. Next, we have connectivity, which allows these devices to communicate, usually via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular networks. Then, there's data processing, where information collected by devices is analyzed, often in the cloud. Finally, there's the user interface, which lets people interact with the system, such as through a mobile app or web dashboard. Sensors and actuators are the heart of IoT devices. Sensors gather information from the environment, such as temperature, humidity, motion, or light. Actuators, on the other hand, perform actions based on the data received, like turning on a fan or locking a door. Together, they enable devices to not only sense what's happening around them, but also to respond intelligently. This combination is what allows IoT systems to automate tasks and improve efficiency in countless applications. Connectivity is what brings IoT devices to life. Without a way to communicate, these devices would just be isolated gadgets. IoT devices use various communication protocols, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, or cellular networks, to send and receive data. The choice of connectivity depends on the application. Some devices need high-speed connections, while others prioritize low power consumption. Reliable connectivity ensures that data flows smoothly between devices, users, and cloud services. Once data is collected by IoT devices, it needs to be processed to extract meaningful insights. This processing can happen locally on the device, at a nearby gateway, or in the cloud. For example, a smart security camera might analyze video footage on the spot to detect motion, or it might send the footage to the cloud for more complex analysis. The ability to process data efficiently is crucial for real-time decision-making and automation in IoT systems. User interfaces are how people interact with IoT systems. These can take many forms, such as mobile apps, web dashboards, or even voice assistants. Through these interfaces, users can monitor device status, receive alerts, and control devices remotely. A well-designed user interface makes it easy to manage and benefit from IoT technology, whether you're adjusting your home's lighting or tracking your fitness progress. IoT is already part of our daily lives, often in ways we might not even notice. Smart home devices like thermostats, lights, and security cameras are classic examples. Wearable fitness trackers monitor your health and sync data to your phone. Even modern cars are packed with IoT technology, enabling features like remote start and real-time diagnostics. These examples show how IoT is making life more convenient, efficient, and connected. One of the most popular applications of IoT is in smart homes. Devices like smart thermostats, lights, and security systems can be controlled remotely through your smartphone or voice assistant. These devices learn your preferences and routines, adjusting settings automatically to save energy and enhance comfort. Smart home technology is not just about convenience, it can also improve safety and help you manage your home more efficiently. Wearable devices, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, are another great example of IoT in action. These gadgets monitor your physical activity, heart rate, and even sleep patterns, sending the data to your smartphone for analysis. Wearables help people stay informed about their health and make better lifestyle choices. The seamless integration of sensors and connectivity is what makes these devices so powerful and popular. Modern vehicles are becoming increasingly connected thanks to IoT. Cars now come equipped with sensors and communication systems that monitor everything from engine performance to tire pressure. Drivers can receive real-time alerts about maintenance needs, traffic conditions, or even remotely start their car using a smartphone app. IoT is making driving safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. IoT isn't just for consumers, it's revolutionizing industries as well. In manufacturing, IoT devices monitor equipment, track inventory, and optimize production processes. This is often called the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. By collecting and analyzing data in real time, companies can reduce downtime, improve efficiency, and save costs. The impact of IoT in industry is profound and continues to grow. Healthcare is another sector where IoT is making a big difference. Connected medical devices can monitor patients' vital signs and send alerts to doctors if something is wrong. Remote monitoring allows patients to recover at home while still being closely watched by healthcare professionals. IoT helps improve patient outcomes, reduce hospital stays, and make healthcare more accessible. Cities around the world are adopting IoT to become smart cities. Sensors monitor traffic, air quality, and energy usage, helping city officials make better decisions. Smart streetlights adjust brightness based on activity, and waste bins signal when they need to be emptied. These innovations make urban life more efficient, sustainable, and comfortable for residents. Farmers are using IoT to boost productivity and sustainability. Sensors in the soil measure moisture and nutrient levels, while drones monitor crop health from above. Automated irrigation systems adjust water usage based on real-time data. These technologies help farmers make informed decisions, reduce waste, and increase yields, all thanks to the power of IoT. Retailers are leveraging IoT to enhance the shopping experience. Smart shelves track inventory in real time, while beacons send personalized offers to shoppers' smartphones. Connected point-of-sale systems streamline checkout and improve customer service. By analyzing data from these devices, retailers can better understand customer preferences and optimize their operations. IoT is playing a crucial role in managing energy consumption. Smart meters and connected appliances help households and businesses monitor and control their energy use. Utility companies use IoT to detect outages, balance supply and demand, and integrate renewable energy sources. These advancements lead to cost savings and a more sustainable energy future. The transportation and logistics industry is being transformed by IoT. Fleet management systems track vehicles in real time, optimize routes, and monitor driver behavior. Sensors in shipping containers ensure goods are stored at the right temperature and alert managers to any issues. These innovations improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance safety across the supply chain. Education is also benefiting from IoT. Smart classrooms use connected devices to enhance learning experiences, automate attendance, and monitor environmental conditions. Teachers can use data from these devices to tailor instruction and improve student engagement. IoT is making education more interactive, efficient, and personalized. Security is a major concern in the world of IoT. With so many devices connected to the internet, there are more opportunities for cyber attacks. It's important to secure devices with strong passwords, regular software updates, and encryption. Manufacturers and users alike must prioritize security to protect sensitive data and ensure the safe operation of IoT systems. Along with security, privacy is a key issue in IoT. Devices collect a lot of personal data, from your location to your daily habits. It's essential for companies to be transparent about what data they collect and how it's used. Users should also be aware of privacy settings and take steps to protect their information. Balancing convenience with privacy is an ongoing challenge in the IoT landscape. One of the strengths of IoT is its scalability. Networks can start small, with just a few devices, and grow to include thousands or even millions. This scalability is important for businesses and cities looking to expand their IoT solutions over time. Cloud computing and advanced networking technologies make it possible to manage large numbers of devices efficiently and securely. With so many different devices and manufacturers, interoperability can be a challenge in IoT. Devices need to be able to communicate and work together regardless of brand or platform. Industry standards and open protocols are helping to address these issues, but it's still an area where progress is needed. Ensuring seamless integration is key to unlocking the full potential of IoT. Many IoT devices rely on batteries, making power management a critical concern. Devices must be designed to use energy efficiently, often going into low power modes when not in use. Advances in battery technology and energy harvesting are helping to extend the life of IoT devices. Efficient power management ensures that devices remain operational and reliable over long periods. Edge computing is an important concept in IoT. Instead of sending all data to the cloud, some processing happens locally on the device or nearby gateway. This reduces latency, saves bandwidth, and enables faster decision-making. Edge computing is especially useful for applications that require real-time responses, such as autonomous vehicles or industrial automation. Cloud computing plays a vital role in IoT by providing the infrastructure needed to store, process, and analyze massive amounts of data. The cloud enables devices to offload heavy computations and access powerful analytics tools. This flexibility allows IoT systems to scale easily and deliver insights from data collected across many devices. IoT generates vast amounts of data, often referred to as big data. Analyzing this data helps organizations uncover patterns, optimize operations, and make better decisions. Big data analytics tools are essential for turning raw IoT data into actionable insights. As IoT adoption grows, the importance of big data will only increase. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is often combined with IoT to create smarter systems. AI algorithms can analyze data from IoT devices, recognize patterns, and make predictions or decisions without human intervention. This combination powers applications like predictive maintenance, smart assistants, and autonomous vehicles, making IoT even more powerful. IoT relies on a variety of communication protocols to connect devices. Some common protocols include MQTT, CoAP, and HTTP. These protocols define how data is transmitted and ensure that devices can communicate reliably and securely. Choosing the right protocol depends on factors like power consumption, data rate, and network range. The architecture of an IoT system typically includes several layers. At the bottom are the devices and sensors that collect data. Next is the connectivity layer, which transmits data to the cloud or edge. The processing layer analyzes the data, and finally, the application layer presents information to users. This layered approach helps organize complex IoT systems and ensures scalability and security. Every IoT device goes through a life cycle, from manufacturing and deployment to operation and eventual retirement. During its life, the device must be managed, updated, and monitored for security and performance. Proper lifecycle management ensures devices remain secure, functional, and up-to-date, minimizing risks and maximizing value. As IoT grows, standards and regulations are becoming increasingly important. Industry groups and governments are developing guidelines to ensure interoperability, security, and privacy. Adhering to these standards helps protect users and fosters trust in IoT technology. Staying informed about regulations is essential for anyone developing or using IoT solutions. The IoT ecosystem is made up of many players, including device manufacturers, software developers, network providers, and end users. Collaboration among these groups is essential for creating successful IoT solutions. Each player brings unique expertise, and together they drive innovation and adoption across industries. IoT is helping to create a more sustainable world. By optimizing resource use, reducing waste, and enabling renewable energy integration, IoT solutions support environmental goals. Smart grids, precision agriculture, and efficient transportation systems are just a few examples of how IoT is making a positive impact on the planet. The future of IoT is full of exciting possibilities. As technology advances, we can expect even more intelligent devices, improved connectivity, and greater integration with AI and machine learning. Emerging trends include 5G networks, edge AI, and increased focus on security and privacy. IoT will continue to shape the way we live, work, and interact with the world. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, IoT can touch nearly every aspect of your day. Your alarm clock might adjust based on traffic conditions, your coffee maker starts brewing as you get out of bed, and your fitness tracker logs your morning run. These small conveniences add up, making life smoother and more connected. Businesses are leveraging IoT to gain a competitive edge. By collecting and analyzing data from connected devices, companies can improve operations, enhance customer experiences, and create new revenue streams. IoT enables predictive maintenance, real-time monitoring, and data-driven decision-making, all of which contribute to business success. With so much data being generated and transmitted, data security is a top priority in IoT. Encryption, secure authentication, and regular updates are essential to protect against threats. Both manufacturers and users must take responsibility for securing devices and networks to prevent data breaches and maintain trust. Remote monitoring is one of the most valuable features of IoT. Whether it's checking on your home while you're away or monitoring industrial equipment from a central location, IoT makes it possible to stay informed and in control from anywhere. This capability improves safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. Automation is at the core of many IoT applications. Devices can perform tasks automatically based on data and predefined rules, reducing the need for human intervention. This leads to increased efficiency, cost savings, and improved accuracy in everything from home management to industrial operations. Predictive maintenance uses IoT sensors to monitor equipment and predict when maintenance is needed. This approach helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, reduces downtime, and saves money. By analyzing data trends, companies can schedule maintenance only when necessary, making operations more efficient and reliable. Real-time analytics is a game changer for IoT. By processing data as it's generated, organizations can respond instantly to changing conditions. This is especially important in areas like healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing, where timely decisions can have a big impact. Real-time analytics turns raw data into immediate action. IoT enables a new level of personalization in products and services. Devices can learn your preferences and adapt automatically, whether it's adjusting the lighting in your home or recommending products online. This personalization enhances user satisfaction and creates more meaningful experiences. In summary, the Internet of Things is transforming the way we live and work. By connecting devices, collecting data, and enabling automation, IoT is making our world smarter, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for IoT are virtually limitless. Whether at home, in business, or across entire cities, IoT is shaping the future in exciting and meaningful ways.